Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green girl, cutie patuti iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating second day. Babalik na natin si Gia ng ating topic dito about how to use pressure points to relieve headaches. Sino ba sa inyo dito yung palaging may headache or sumasakit yung ulo? Ito po ang magandang topic po. Ngayon, tuturo natin sa inyo yung mga pressure points, which is also called the acupuncture points, or yung mga points kung saan mo pipindutin at ilalagyan ng pressure. And those are very sensitive or special points wherein it can release tension sa mga specific na mga problema natin sa ating katawan. Okay? So, there are some, but before tayo mag-start, mga masters, mga G, hihingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. Ayan po, maraming salamat. Thank you sa mga nandito sa ating those who are present right now in my premiere, thank you, and those who are gonna share it, and those who are sharing it, thank you so much. You've been a great help to my channel. Salamat, salamat, salamat po. So number one, okay, here's ito pa, there are well-known pressure points na makarelieve ng relieve headaches. Ito po ang aking ituturo sa inyo. Number one is the Union Valley, which is called the large intestines. There's a specific meridian called large intestines or the Union Valley. So it's just located here. Yeah, di ba? Sino ba sa inyo may experience na nagpapa-massage? Ito po. Ito lang po siya. Oh. Ito, ang sabi dito, start by pinch. It's the location is on the web of the finger, web. So web ng finger between your thumb and the index finger. So it's the web. Ito po. To treat headaches. Okay? It's the web. Ito po. Okay? So how can you do it? Paano mo siyang gawin, mga masters and mga ka-G? Start by pinching this area with the thumb and the index finger. Pinching, hindi mo siya pipinch na parang kinukulot talaga. Gagawin mo lang is parang letter C ng yung kamay mo. Ito po, depende sa iyo kung gusto mo ito yung sa taas o ito sa baba. Basta sa akin pwede naman ganito. So i-press mo siya ng konti ito sa likod at grab mo siya. Wag mo siyang kailangan hindi siya masakit Hindi siya masakit. Yung gagawin mo lang is maglalagay ka lang ng pressure. Maglalagay ka lang ng pressure for 10 seconds and then release. And after that, next, make tiny circles with your thumb. Tiny circles with your thumb. Ayan. On this area in one direction and then the other. So it means, let's say for 10 seconds, papuntang kanan. And next 10 seconds, papuntang kaliwa. So parang may reverse po siya. Okay? So repeat this process on the Union Valley point on your opposite hand. So pagkatapos ng 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay? So this type of pressure point treatment is believed to relieve tension in the head and the neck. Okay? Tension is often associated with headache. Next na point na gagamitin po natin, mga masters, is called the drilling bamboo or the UB2. The drilling bamboo or the UB2. So these points are located in the indentation of either the side of the spot of the bridge of your nose. Ito yung bridge ng nose natin. Okay? Of meets the ridge of the eyebrows. So ito po yung ating bridge ng nose. Ito po yung ating eyebrows. So dito po siya. Yan. Meron po siyang space, parang indentation. Diyan po siya. So all you have to do is to use the pressure points to treat headache. Use both of your index fingers and apply firm pressure to both points at once. Ito po, pressurean mo at once. Okay, hold for 10 seconds. Naku, ang sarap. 10 seconds and then release. And then again, 10 seconds, release. So siguro mga 10 seconds din yung inyong gap. 10 seconds din po yung inyong pag-pinch. 10 seconds din yung pag-wait mo para maka-pinch ulit. And then 10 seconds din ulit. Di ba? Ulitin mo lang siya. So hanggang sa ma-clear mo, or pwede namang let's say 4 rounds lang or 5 rounds, pagkatapos pahinga ka rin after mga 6 hours or after 12 hours, gawin mo ulit yan kung meron ka pang headaches. Okay? Are you guys learning? Okay, so the next will be, this what we call the drilling bamboo. Okay? Touching these points, pressure points, can relieve headaches that are caused by eye strain and sinus pain or pressure. So, pag meron ka mga pressure dito at saka sa mata mo, halimbawa, araw-araw ka na lang nagbabasa or nag-whitey, darating yung time mo yung pagod na pagod po yung mata mo. Kasi sa akin, di ba, parang pagod yung mata ko. Okay? So, para may strain yung mata mo, at the same time, may sinus pain or congestion, so parang hindi ka makakahinga or meron dyan iba na parang barado ang ilong nila. So, this is the perfect point here. Yan, i-press mo lang ng konti. Hindi naman siya masakit pero apply mo ng pressure kasi that can help you with a headache, with the eye strain and the sinus pain or pressure. Okay, next will be the number 3, which we call the gates of consciousness, which is the GB20. I think the GB is the gallbladder. Okay, gates of consciousness. The GB20 pressure points are located on the base of the skull, parallel to hollow areas between the two vertical neck muscles. So ito po yung ating neck. Hindi ko napapakita. Dito ko napapakita sa picture. To use these pressure points, ito pang gagawin mo. Okay, so place your index finger and your middle finger on of either hands onto the pressure points. So meron siyang dalawang point. Ganito po siya ang posisyon ng kamay natin. Pero ang ating pressure point ay ito po siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Okay? So ito po siya, hindi po yan kuko na gano'n ha. Hindi po yan kuko, babae, tao po yan, babae yan na nakatalikod sa camera. Bakit babae? Ito po yung kanyang leeg, ito po yung kanyang buhok, ito po yung parang ano na gano'n na buhok na ayos, di ba? So na net ata na buhok yan. Okay, so ito po siya. So ito po yung dalawang point na yan. So ang gagawin mo is, gagawin mo lang oh. Yan, press mo siya. Ang sabi sa instruction dito is use your middle finger and the index finger. So dalawa talaga gagawin mo. Apply mo ng pressure. 10 seconds pressure na hindi siya masakit. Hindi siya talaga masakit. And then release after 10 seconds. Again. Ulitin lang po siya. So, place your index and the middle finger on either hand on both pressure points. Ganon. Okay? Press firmly toward the both sides of each 10 for 10 seconds. Press firm towards on both sides. So, pwede mong paano mo sa gilid, pahatiin mo yung pahatiin mo. Hindi lang po siya pataas, kundi pagilid din po yung pressure mo. Try mo lang po kasi yun ng for 10 seconds. Then release and repeat. Okay? So applying firm touch to these pressured points can help relieve headaches and that causes hypertension on the neck. Okay? So pag nag-apply ka, firm lang siya dapat, hindi siya mabigat yung kamay mo, at hindi po siya maingay, or hindi po siya masakit, hindi po siya, wala ka, as in, relax lang po ang pag-press mo. Okay? Kasi may iba dyan na, parang may tunog pa siya na, parang gusto niya na patunugin yung buto. So, iwasan natin yan. Pag-apply ng pressure, make sure you don't apply pressure on or where the spine is. So, pag nandyan yung spine, dito yung sa gilid. Hindi po pwede yung spine ng tirahin mo kasi once na natamaan mo ang spine at medyo nabali ang spine, that can cause a lot of complications like paralysis. Sometimes you can have a lot of health problems. Kung saan man yan located yung iyong kung saan man located po yung iyong pressure point na yan, doon ka magsasuffer. Okay? So, applying from of firm touch to the pressure point can help relieve headaches that cause pressure, tension in the head. So, ayun, by applying the pressure on the point, makakatulong po yan sa mga headache na regular lang. The third eye or the yin tang. The third eye or the yin tang, mga masters, alam niyo ba yung the yin tang? Yin tang. Okay, so the yin tang point can be found between your eyes and your eyebrows. Okay? So where the bridge of the nose meets on the forehead. Okay? So literally po siya ay nandito po siya sa gitna ng kilay. Sa gitna po siya ng kilay, mga masters. Okay? So use the index finger of one hand to apply pressure in the area for 1 minute. Apply the pressure lang. Ganun. So firm pressure applied to the third eye pressure point is thought to relieve eye strain and sinus pressure than often cause headaches. So yung mga gamot na yan, eye strain, and mga problema na eye strain or headache, okay, or sinus pressure is also caused by, like pressure sa ating katawan. So pag ginawa mo yan, mawawala yan. Alright, mga masters and mga ka-G, hanggang dito lang muna tayo at tayo po ay ito po yung point to. This is the point. That's the point here. Ayan, parang Indian. Alright, so maraming salamat po. Tatlo po ang nakadiscuss natin. Okay, so kita-kits tayo bukas ulit. At maraming apat ata na discuss natin. Maraming salamat. And this is G, your green girly cutie patuti iguana, and your one and only master worm. God is great. Yahoo!